What can you delegate? There are some misconceptions what you can actually delegate to other people. Let's briefly have a look at things that you can safely delegate. So we're going to look at the usual suspects, the things that you delegate to other people. So the first thing you most likely should delegate, or you can delegate easily, are all the simple tasks that you usually pick and you give them to the youngest member of your team to do. Another group are obviously part of the project, and this is what usually happens if you're a project manager. You would be delegating part of the activities to your team members, and obviously you should make sure that they really understand what they're supposed to do. Obviously, you can delegate the whole project. So in a sense, we can say that some sort of a director or the CEO of the company is delegating the work to a project manager when he actually puts him into the position of a project manager. However, we can also delegate a whole business area. Being a director means actually that the CEO of the company has delegated some part of the business to you and asks you to manage this business area as well as possible. Finally, we have two interesting groups of things that are worth considering to be delegated. So time-consuming tasks. So some of the things, maybe they're not simple, however, they take a lot of your attention and time. And therefore, as a manager, you simply want to get rid of them. And the last thing is simply things that you are not good at, or they are much better people than you. And you will see in the examples later on that you usually have a lot of things that are in those two second groups. And as a manager, you try to delegate them as much as possible. So that's in short.